Yeah, now today we'll do some numericals based on the friction. Okay, so look at the first question. Is it appearing the first question?
A body of weight 50 newtons is placed on a smooth surface.
Very good.
The force required to move the body on the surface is 30 newtons. 30 newton 1.
The coefficient of friction is the coefficient of friction is they're asking. So what is the formula? The body weights of 50 Newton is placed on a smooth surface. If the force is required to move the surface, is 30 Newton. The coefficient of friction is, what is the coefficient of friction? Actually, this is not a smooth one. Okay, this is not smooth. This part not smooth boy, but is a rough. Okay, rough surface. Okay, the body of weight 50 Newton is placed on a smooth rough surface. If the force is required to move the body on the surface is 30 Newton, the coefficient of friction they are asking. So here you will use the formula. What kind of formula will use here? What kind of formula you will use? Yeah, what formula? What is the formula we'll use? F is equal to, F is equal to what? So friction force, here applied force is equal to, draw the free body diagram here. This is a free body diagram. How many kg mass it is? How many kg mass it is? Tell me how many kg mass? Avinash, how many kg mass it is?
50.
So you know that it is how many kg mass? 50.
50.
Yeah, right now it is 50 kg mass. 50 kg. This is under which surface? Rough surface. When there is rough surface, here applied force is how much is required? 30 Newton force is required. When applied force is 30 Newton, then what is the friction force is acting? What is it? Not 20. Look at here. Friction force will act which direction? This direction. The friction force will act on the body is in this direction. Yes or no? If this friction force and 30 Newton both are equal, then only the body will start sliding. So equate them. So here applied force is equal to friction force. Understand? When applied force is equal to friction force, so applied force is how much here?
20 Newton.
How much here? 50 Newton. Very good. 30 Newton is equal to, what is the friction force? What? How much is that?
30.
Not 30. Friction force formula. What is the friction force formula?
NB.
Friction force formula mu into n. General friction force formula mu into n kada? So from here mu is equal to how much? 30 by n. But what is n? What is n?
Normal reaction.
Normal reaction. Why, how much is a normal reaction is acting upward direction? Mg is acting downward direction. Can you tell me what is normal reaction here? Normal reaction is equal to mg, weight of the body. Already we done this part in a, what is that? In that case, free body diagrams. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then you can apply mu is equal to 30 by how much is that normal reaction? N is equal to m value is 50, g value is 10, totally how much? 60
No sir.
500.
500.
500 you can put here. So take cancellation. This one gets cancelled. 3 ones are. How many times it will go?
50, sir.
Or else I'll do that.
Not cancel.
It will cancel. I'll do in a simple way. I'll do. Look at here. Mu is equal to 30 by n value is 500 kada?
Yes, sir.
500. So 0 0 gets cancelled. Remaining thing is what? Mu is equal to 3 by 50. Here look at here. Multiply with 2. Divide with 2. Is there anything changed? Multiply with 2, divide with 2. If you cancel it, same thing will get kada. So if I multiply 3 into 6, how much?
3 into
6.
2, 6, sir.
3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 50 into 2 is
100.
100. Very good. So totally 6 by 100 is 0.06. 6 by 100 is what? 0. 0.
0.0.
That is your answer. No doubt. So when it's 0.06 here, oh, wait, sorry, I made a mistake. One thing, look at here. The mistake is already weight is given 50 Newton, kada? So 50 Newton means normal reaction would be 50. The normal reaction is 50. Here also 50. So 0 0 gets cancelled. This here, what is that? Mu is equal to 3 by 5. So you can multiply with 2, divide with 2. So finally you will have 3 2 is 6 by 10, which is equal to 0.6. So what is the option then here? This is your option. Very good. So option A is correct. Understand?
Yes.
This is a numerical. So you want to see this numerical steps? Yeah, this is your solution. Take down the solution. Make it fast. Yeah. Completed? Next, let's do one more question. Have you noted? Yeah. See here, second question, 62 question. See the 62 question. A body of mass 40 kg is placed on a horizontal surface whose coefficient of friction 0.5.
Friction is 0.5. The frictional force acting on it is 10
Yeah.
equal to 10 meter per second.
Yeah. See here,
Minus 2.
how much? How much is the answer? How do you know it?
10 meter per second.
No, first of all, they are asking that a body of mass 40 kg is placed on a horizontal surface whose coefficient of friction is 0.5. The frictional force acting on it is how much? G is equal to 10 meter per second square. When G is equal to 10 meter per second square, then they are asking that frictional force. So, what is this? Frictional force they are asking. What is the formula for frictional force? Just now we did. Mu n, very good. Frictional force formula is what? Mu into n. So what is mu here? Mu is how much? 0.5.
0.5.
And n is how much? By using this 40 kg it is.
40 kg.
40 into 10. So look, do it the problem. So see the second question is, what is that second question? This is the way they given. How many kg mass they given? 40 kg mass they given. It is on the rough surface. It is on the rough surface. When this is on the rough surface, so what they are asking? What they are asking?
Is equal to N. F is equal to N. Yes.
F is equal to mu into N. F is equal to, what is mu value? What is mu value? Coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction.
30.
Coefficient of friction. Yeah, 0.5. 0.5. How do you find N value? How do you find N value? This is acting this direction. This is acting this direction. Okay. So N value you can write as mg kada.
Yes, so it is
M value how much mass of the body is? 40. G value is what? 10. So totally N is equal to 400 Newton. Okay. So you can put here 400 Newton. So finally F is equal to 0.5, can I write half? 1 by 2. 0.5 can I write 1 by 2? Or else I can write 0.5 as 5 by 10 into 400. 0 gets cancelled. 5 into 40.
200.
5 into 40. 5 4s are. So finally frictional force is 200. Understand? So frictional force is 200. So which option is right then? Which option is right? Option B is right. So will you write the problem? Will you write the form? Will you write it? Yeah, you can write the solution. Very good. Next go for the other problem.
Yes. A 100 kg body is resting on a horizontal plane having
Yeah.
quotient of friction 0.2. A force of 196 newtons is required to pull the body horizontally. The acceleration developed by the body is graph is equal to 9.8 meter per second square.
Yeah, first of all, observe that how much is the frictional force. Observe that how much is the frictional force. What is the formula for friction force? What is the mu n? Here mu value is what?
0.2.
What is n value? N value means normal. Not n value means normal reaction. N value means normal reaction. How do you find normal reaction? Normal reaction you can find by using.
Is equal to mg.
Very good, excellent. N is equal to mg. So m value is how much? 100. Very good. G value is
9.8.
9.8. Totally 100. N value is what? N value is
Normal reactions.
how much? 100 into 9.8. 100 into 9.8.
100.
Yeah. So that is 980. 980 newtons. When N is equal to, normal reaction is equal to, normal force is equal to 980, then frictional force will be what? What is the friction?
0.2.
So how do you find the frictional force? The friction,
Yeah.
you can find frictional force, F is equal to mu into N. What is the mu value they given in the problem?
0.2.
Very good. Into what is the normal reaction, normal force?
980.
980. Very good. So finally 0 point into, so this you can write 2 by 10, 0.2 you can write 2 by 10 into 980, 0 gets cancelled, means 10 ones are 10 980s are, so that 2 into 980, when 2 is 196 196
Yes, sir.
196 newtons. See, this is the frictional force acting on the body, which means if you see the free body diagram of the object, this is the object. When this is the object, in this direction what will be act? In this direction what will be act? Friction force is acting. In this direction applied force is acting. Kada?
Yes,
How much is the applied force, he said? How much is applied force? A force of 196 Newton is required to pull the body horizontally. Then the acceleration they're asking. So what is the acceleration then? This direction is how much is required? 196. This direction is how much? How much is acting? 196. Totally net force is how much? What? F net is equal to applied force minus
normal forces.
196. Totally F net is what? 0. But according to Newton's second law, what is F net? MA. Mass into acceleration. Mass cannot be 0. So acceleration is how much? 0. So what is the answer then for this question? So 0 is our answer. Yeah, note down. 0 is our answer. Note. Make it fast. Yeah.
Sir, I cannot.
You will write the.
No, sir.
I mean, you want this one.
Yes.
Solution. Okay. Completed?
Complete.
Yeah. Next, let's go for the next question.
The force of friction acting on a car on different roads, the increasing order of magnitude will be
The force of friction acting on a car, different roads in the increasing order of the magnitude will be, where you will observe more force. Where you will observe more force, more friction force. Increase in order, they are asking. So which one is increasing order? Which one is the increasing order?
yes, sir,
Mud, tar, concrete and gravel road. Which one will give more friction here? Next, what about tar, concrete, mud road? Concrete, tar, gravel and mud road. Which one is give the, which one is decreasing order they are asking? Increasing order, sorry. Increasing order. So, is the first option only right? Because mud cannot give any friction. It will, we can slip on in the mud kada, so that it will not give. Tar means that, I mean that our generally we daily life in national highways we are seeing the tar roads. So same way concrete nothing but in the villages or else in the small colonies they'll make the roads with concrete. So gravel road means what? Gravel roads means some metal, generally in our, we use it to call that is metal road. So metal road means it has very high size of stones will be present on the road, so that will give the more friction than this, so that it would be your first option. Understand?
Yes.
It is a theory question. Understand? Theory question. So you can put the answer. Next, let's go for the other question. Yeah, this is the other question. See that other question.
Why do we move faster and roller?
Why do we move?
Why do we move faster on roller skates than on shoes?
Why do we move faster on roller skates than shoes? Very good. Nicely you have given the answer. So this one is second option or first option? A. A is the answer. Next, 66.
Alida returns her toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be.
The Alida runs her toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order. Which one will provide more friction here? Tell me.
A dry marble floor.
First of all, which one will give less friction?
Wet marble floor.
Next, who will give? Increasing order or decreasing order? They're asking increasing order, right? So obviously, wet marble floor have less friction, kada? So that is the reason we will slip. So next, than that, which one is smooth? Dry floor is a smooth, dry. Next, newspaper is smooth. Next, towel is a smooth. Towel is. So what is the option will come? Option will come as A. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So similar way, go for the next. Go for the next. So they are given tell me.
Before of 20 kg. What is the weight, sir?
20 kg weight is required to just slide.
Required to just slide a wooden box, weighing 50 kg over ice, then quotient of static friction between the surface and the surface in contact.
Yeah. So easily, the first question, whatever we did for the first question, the same thing you need to apply. Understand here, friction force to move this body, how much force we required here to overcome this? 20 means 20 kg weight is the friction force, is exactly equal to friction force. Then what formula will use here?
It is equal to U.
F is equal to, so the second question is F is equal to mu n. But how much is the F value we are taking here? 20 kg weight kada? 20 kg weight we can write also 20g. 20 kg weight we can write as 20g. Got my point? 20g is equal to 0. Mu. What is the normal reaction here? What is the normal reaction here? What is the
N is equal to mg.
how much is the m here? M, how much they given? How much is the mass? How much is the mass? 50. No, 50. Then what is the normal reaction? 50 into G. This G gets cancelled. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Mu into 50 into G. This G gets cancelled. Mu is equal to 20 by 50. Okay. Then mu is equal to 0.4. Mu is equal to how much? 0.4. That is your answer. No doubt?
Smart.
Next, I'll go for the next problem. Yeah, and I'll go for the next problem. Yeah. So then B is the correct answer, kada? Yeah, B is the correct answer. Next, 68. Tell me.
The body of mass 10 kg is on a rough horizontal surface if the quotient of kinetic friction between the surfaces in contact is 0.3. The force which keeps it moving with uniform velocity is that is equal to 9.8 meter per second. Second speed.
A body of mass 10 kg is on rough horizontal surface. If the coefficient of friction, kinetic friction between the surface in contact is 0.3. So force which keeps it moving with uniform velocity is. Just find out friction force. So to get that you can find friction force. How do you find friction force here? What is the formula for finding the friction force?
F is equal to UN.
X is equal to?
UN.
Yeah.
You repeat.
Apply that formula. F is equal to mu into N. So F is equal to, what is mu here? How much is they given? How much is the value they given? Mu value. Quotient of friction is how much? 0.3 kada?
Yes, sir.
So you can use 0.3. What is normal reaction? Normal reaction is nothing but m into g. So F is equal to 0.3 into, how much is the mass? How much is the mass? Mass of the body. Very good. 10 kg, 10 into 10. Totally, how much is the answer? F is equal to 30 Newton. This 30 Newton force is required to keep the object into uniform motion. Note down.
Yes, sir.
30 Newton is required for moving the object in uniform motion. So next, same way, look at the other question. What is the other question? What is the answer then? Actually, I took G as how much? 10 kada, but they given 9.8. When they given 9.8, which option will come? The C option will come.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Which option will come? Yeah.
9.4 newtons.
Yeah. How much is will come? That 29.4 Newton will come. Okay. This will come. Next, look at the other question.
The magnitude of limiting friction to F is directly proportional to the
Actually, that is a paragraph. That is a paragraph. When that is a paragraph, this is a question. 69.
log of weight breaking units rests on the horizontal surface. The force of 8 newtons is
8 Newton required to.
Suppose the block begins to move. The force of 7 newtons will keep the block in uniform motion. The quotient of kinetic friction is
Yeah, you can take this as a screenshot. You can take this as a screenshot. Have you taken screenshot?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Will you try this all this 69th question and 71? Okay,
Yes, sir.
69th question and 71 you can try. Before the yeah, the homework. Now here this answer. What is this answer? What is this answer? 70th question. What is the answer? The unit of quotient.
So quotient of friction
What is
is
it? What is the units of quotient of friction?
tension on
This one. No units. Okay, coefficient of friction no units because coefficient of friction mu is equal. We can write friction force by normal reaction. Friction force having Newton, even normal reaction also having the units Newton. Both Newtons will get cancelled. Remaining thing is what? No units for the quotient of friction. So next 70th question. Observe the 70th question.
quotient of friction is always
always less than 1. Okay, always less than 1. So this is your what today's questions. Now next week, coming classes, I'll start a new lesson. Okay na? So this is all about your friction. Understand? Yeah, you can do 69th and 70th problem. Clear? I'll stop the session for today.
Thank you, sir.